Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to get Fallout 3 running smoothly on your PC. First, install the game outside of your program files folders to avoid permission conflicts. After installation, launch the game at least one time to create necessary configuration files. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date for the best experience. Finally, set the game to run in windowed mode and as an administrator for improved stability, which often resolves initial launch problems. Next, we tackle core stability. The Fallout Script Extender, or FOS, is vital for many community fixes and mods. Then, apply the Anniversary Patcher, which addresses compatibility issues on modern operating systems and often removes games for Windows Live. Also, use the 4GB patch to enable the game to utilize more than 2 GB of system memory, significantly reducing crashes. Lastly, the updated unofficial Fallout 3 patch resolves. Now, let's turn our attention to the right hand, where the song's memorable melody resides. The melody frequently uses notes found within the C and D minor chords, making it intuitive to play once you grasp the harmony. Start by practicing the melodic phrases at a very slow pace, ensuring precise finger placement and a light touch. Aim for a smooth, connected sound between notes, allowing the melody to sing beautifully over your left hand's accompaniment. This creates the song's emotional depth. If you encounter persistent issues, a clean reinstall or verifying game files can often resolve them. Before adding any new content, always create a backup of your game installation. This is a crucial step for modding. For further assistance, the Fallout community on platforms like Nexus Mods offers extensive guides and troubleshooting advice. Using a dedicated mod manager, such as Mod Organizer 2, will greatly simplify installing and managing your game enhancements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.